Welcome to Vanessa's Hideaway. I'm going to do this little tour very quickly, just to kind of show you what the house is like. There's a little side yard. I'll take you there in a few. Coming into the sun porch. I should have the lights on, but I don't because it's daytime. There's a cute little sun porch, perfect for reading a book or playing a game. You come into the house and into the great room, living room area with a view of the pond and the ocean outside the window. And it's open concept to the dining area and then to the kitchen. The kitchen has hopefully everything you need to cook a family dinner. I like to cook, so try to think of everything you might need. Good pans, good knives, knife sharpener, etc. Lobster pot. And then over in here is the downstairs bedroom. I'm gonna turn on the light. That is a trundle, so it turns into a king. Through that door is the laundry room, but we really encourage people to bring their own stuff for the week. Oops, one last thing. There's built-in bookcases, etc. in this room. And then to take you upstairs, which again is all open, lots of lights and lots of light. You come up the stairs. And this is the second bedroom. This one is tiny, but it has a full-size bed in it, and it does have an AC in the window. And then the bathroom was just redone. Cute little new chandelier. We just did this wallpaper, which we're kind of digging. And then finally, the master with a queen. And outside, I hope you can see pond view and ocean view. I'm gonna have to trim that one branch that's hanging down. So that's upstairs. Only other thing I want to show you very quickly. Downstairs again. Oh, before I show you the side yard, there is a tiny little first floor bathroom as well. And then I'll show you the side yard. Trying to go as fast as I can. So you come out and there's a deck and a little seating area that can expand depending if you have a little company. There's some lights that look awesome at night now. Barbecue. This is the rest of the side yard. It's all fenced in if you've got kiddos. And then the last thing I want to show you is the outdoor shower. So you come in here and it's got the nice waterfall shower head. Best Mac Daddy shower outdoors ever. Okay, that's what I gotta show you. And then lastly, oh, she's turned the wrong way, but you do look at Vanessa the sea serpent out in Farm Pond. Okay, have a great day, guys.